Hey everyone, Av here again. I haven't reached out or posted in a while because we've been head down. Lots of things have changed here at Vizetto. Reactiv is finally going out of beta, no more beta, right into MVP. So the brand has changed, the product has changed, the user experience has changed, and it's amazing what we have. We need to thank our 2,500 beta users. Actually, you know what? All of you have become friends over time. I've spoken to almost every one of you. The network has been phenomenal. We've grown this based on product-led growth strategy, 65,000 hours of runtime, and guess what? Over 1,200 bugs so far that have been squashed. The product is fast, responsive, incredibly easy to use. We listened to almost every feedback that we've got and perfected it. Watch out for it. Over the next couple of weeks, you're going to see some great messaging. Join our beta program, and we would love to get you up and running and transform your remote meetings tomorrow. Okay? It takes a few clicks. Thanks again for all your help.